Hi everyone, today I am making warm quinoa salad with veggies. This is very healthy and best in winters. Now we'll take 1 cup water, half cup quinoa and we'll boil it. Now we need to be very careful that it should not be overcooked or raw. This process will take almost 5 to 7 minutes. We should cook it in a low-medium flame. Now you can see our quinoa is ready. Now take a pan, add cashew nut. Roast cashew in a pan without oil for 3 to 4 minutes. When you feel that it is little golden brown, add maple syrup and leave the nuts to caramelize for a bit. So your nuts are ready. Now take spinach in a pan and saute until it shrinks. Add vinegar and maple syrup and let spinach caramelize for 1 to 2 minutes. Now our spinach is caramelized. Now take it off. Now take a bowl, add olive oil, add vinegar, orange juice, some salt, black pepper powder and mix it and keep it aside. Now take a bowl, add boiled corn, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, capsicum, spring onion or a normal onion, mint leaves, coriander leaves and warm quinoa. Now add dressing in it and mix it properly. Our quinoa salad is ready. Now place in a bowl. Garnish it with caramelized spinach and caramelized cashew nut. Now our warm quinoa salad is ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe.